Hello everyone on this big blue crystal. My name's Marina. Today I just wanted to do a quick little kitty cat reading for someone who's actually requested a bit of a communication. Love, Truth and Freedom has a little pretty old cat called Jeffrey, and another little cat's been coming in to eat his dinner, and the owner is just a little bit concerned about how Jeff, the cat, feels. I pull out some cards for you, but straight away, is Jeff not feeling very well? Yeah, look, it's sort of like he really doesn't care. Anyway, I'm just going to pull a couple of cards for you. Can I have some cards for Jeff? Jeff Pussycat. Jeff Pussycat. There's Jeff. Has Jeff got problems with kidneys, adrenals, adrenal glands? I can see his coat is a little bit, his fur and his coat's a little bit icky. It's not like fluffy. It's getting pretty dull. But anyway, I'll just pop a couple of cards for you. Okay, so I've pulled the Hope card for you, and I'll just read this out. There's a reason to be hopeful. Try to stay positive about this situation. Your animal can sense your thoughts and feelings and will reflect back to you what you are looking to see. Believe that there is a higher plan and a divine wisdom, because there is. You and your animal are together for divine reasons. I just don't think he's actually well enough to communicate this, but look, he doesn't seem to care. But however, the issue is with this other cat, because this other cat is pretty brazen, and this other cat knows that your cat is unwell, and is pushing the boundaries. So look, I would really suggest probably truth, love, truth, freedom. Yeah, well, Jeff doesn't really care, but this other cat, look, the fact that your cat isn't feeling very well, I think that you need to give you and Jeff a little bit of space. I don't think this cat, this other cat's coming in. She is quite full on, and quite pushy, and doesn't care either. but this cat knows that Jeff is backing off, is stepping away. But I think that you need to make sure that you do shoo off this cat. Well, number one, he's probably someone else's. And number two, I think Jeff deserves a little bit of quiet time with you, especially not being well. Maybe after, I mean, introducing another cat to a cat who's unwell is not great. So I'd be scaring off this other cat and letting you and Jeff have some time together. The other card that I've pulled, oh sorry, I've actually pulled you the Little Piggy Hope card. But also you've pulled the Compromise card. I'm not sure if you can see that there. Ding-a-ding. So you might like to look at many aspects of your life to see if you are being particularly rigid about something. So your animal communications today is try not to be so rigid in your thinking, so controlling and so rigid. You just step back a little bit. And I think this actually applies with all aspects to your life. Oh dear, I'm really sorry. You need to be a little bit more flexible. Because when you're very rigid and controlling, you'll create energy blockages in your body. And when you've got blockages in your body, your animals know all of this. They actually know a lot more than what you know. They can really feel it. Animals are little psychic and energy sponges. They feel our energy. They can feel our thoughts. So I just feel like you need to sort of, whatever's happening in your home, calm the farm a little bit. Just a little bit more gentler, especially around Jeff. Yeah, I just think that you should wait before you get another, even think about adopting or getting another cat. I think that you just need to stop for a little bit and wait. I think that when you wait, it will be a lot healthier for all of you. Yeah, I think that's all. But I really think that you should don't let this other cat come in anymore, and give Jeff a little bit of space. Okay, that's it. I'll be back a little bit later on to do some readings regarding our great rental crisis, our worldwide rental crisis, which I'm pretty sensitive to. So I'll be back soon. Thank you for watching.